So I think that's all on SCP. Do you have clarification? Because otherwise we will proceed to
Questions?
question. Sige, question.
Third question.
Sige po.
Sir, question specific on CSR. So what are your activities naman po in your organization?
CSR.
Corporate social responsibility. Environmental living.
Yung CSR natin is that we work, each and every company somehow would want to engage with the CSR for us. And what we are doing is that we always, they always come to us for as a partner to work on we promote again SCP pa rin. Like yung mga companies that we certify, we conduct this kind of event, they go with us. So kasi a lot of organizations already work on, let's say, tree planting activities. Marami na doon marami na nagtatrabaho sa mga ganun Ang limitation kasi ng SCP, siguro ilan lang kaming nagpo-push nito. PB is one, Philippine Business for Environment, which is our board. Our organization, now tumatawid na ang WWF, they are working with us now these days. Kasi nga, dati in the past, nakakonsentrate sila sa mga conservation of natural resources. So when it comes to corporate social responsibility, you can work with us in terms of promoting SCP. Kanina, doon sa slides, I don't know if you recall yung PSFD organization, meron kaming mga activities like the Green Youth Movement, gym, so you can work with us on that. Another thing is that yung capacity building on SCP per sectoral basis. Currently, we do right now with the tourism sector. We work with Department of Tourism for this. Ang target audience normally mga hotels and resort. So we conduct activities for that. And then in terms of partnership, yeah, we work with PKP for mostly ang concentration namin is awareness and education, training. Because we do believe that we need to capacitate and to inform about the SCP yung stakeholders. So naka-concentrate kami. May limitation lang din kami to somehow to partner with some organization. One would be you must not have vested interest. We can accept donation, but we have to be clear na hindi kami, kasi kung accept kami donation sa inyo, hindi kayo pwedeng at the moment nag-a-apply din kayo sa amin sa certification. So it's a no-no. Hindi namin maano yun. So walang ang birthday niya, ma'am, there was a time na your boss, I think, sits with our board representing the consumer sector. There was one meeting na naka-attend sila. So pwede yung kayo mag-CSR, work with us, pero ang ano namin, ang activities namin related on that. We can do an activity specific and tailored to your requirements. Kaya lang we get rid of doing yung mga medical mission kasi marami nang gumagawa. Or yung tree planting, well, we can blend that. Kasi ang sa amin is sustainable growing of trees. Instead of offering you a tree planting, we may even promote the forest certification that we need. Kailangan namin ng stakeholders. So, yun po. What else? Question pa? Tapos na? Sige, thank you. Yes.
Is there one single company who tried, even tried to start the SCP practice in terms of their manufacturing?
Bye.
We have.
Tama-tama.
Yeah, for the information of everyone, during the first training, mga 16 companies yung involved ang nakapag-training. And out of those 16 companies, 4 to nag-inquire sa amin for further training on SCP. Unfortunately, hindi pa namin na-follow up because we want to, before we start on assisting these companies on adopting SCP practices, gusto muna namin matapos ng project. So that every time na meron kaming susuportahan na companies for adoption ng SCP practice, nakasync yung aming project na to. We really cannot afford to help or assist companies na walang support ng ibang organizations and network namin kasi hindi naman kami expert talaga na for other sustainable practices. SCP, okay. LCA, tsaka green procurement, eco-labeling. But for other tools on SCP na nire-request nung, especially those 4 companies na nag-inquire sa amin, kailangan namin ng other experts from other network organizations.
So, there's none yet today.
Inquiries pa lang po, kasi hindi namin kaya pang i-support yung requests from companies.
Other questions? Yes, sir.
Well, in line with UN SDGs, particularly number 6 in resource efficiency, what's the plan of SDGs to be more active in terms of contributing to the attainment of SDGs?
Okay. Well, this is how it goes. Yung SDG is under the SDG goal number 12 ng UN. And merong mga activities that happens in the past. Like if you have heard about the Marrakesh process, supposedly ang vice chair doon ay ang Philippines. And that's NEDA. So, because it's really a government ball, what we are doing from the research is we do advocacy. We attempted to push for NEDA through DAP to come up, kasi ang isang limitation natin, wala tayong national action plan for sustainable consumption and production. We had 2 workshops already on this. We attempted to push for it, and we are still pushing for that. In fact, ang next approach namin would be to lobby to the legislators, to the Congress, to come up with at least draft law. So, it goes beyond our private victory because it's more of a public victory. But we have to start somewhere else. The SEPTI can only do so much. So, government talaga yung kailangan execute yung policy. So, what we are doing, we work with sector by sector. DOT, Department of Tourism, medyo proactive sila. Nagpatulong sila to draft a national action plan for their SCP. So, tinulungan namin sila. So, they came up with a national action plan, pero still, we are waiting for the NEDA to do it. Kasi, ang NEDA naman talaga ang point agency when it comes to sustainable development goal natin. Sila yung planning, sila yung pagplano. So, dapat nasa kanila yun. And then, a lot of agencies to include primarily DNR, DTI, and other agencies to be the implementers of the program. So, kami, advocacy talaga yung ginagawa namin. And we work both with government and the private sector. So, yung mga policies, we can participate. We can be a resource organization when it comes to how to go through with SCP. So, ganun yung ginagawa. And then, among other things that we will push for the Congress is the green purchasing. We also participated in the consultation of Green Jobs Act. Na-approve na ba? First reading,
Third reading.
Third reading. So, ganun yung ginagawa namin, lateral activities. Because at the end of the day, it's the goal of the government. So, wala na po.